spears. No hammers. And what were they singing? What are the lyrics to this song they're singing? Azure doesn't like it. Azure hates when he says Ohio, yes.
I was thinking we just lost our daughter.
Hello, and welcome back to,
She literally wasn't breathing.
Being Tranquil.
So they immediately had to intubate her and get her breathing again.
Or Being Tranquil Ritz,
We
I
were
don't know.
moments away from losing her.
Then, Carla's surgeon
Okay.
relates even more horrific news.
Carla's brain has
Tried to get the birds to go crazy.
And her pupils are blown.
Managed to.
She said there was a good chance.
There's a full slow-mo video of
Carla
it.
would die.
When Snowy did her famous leap of doom twice.
Just scared the hell
Pictures
out
her
of us.
just loop around the room.
Doctors put
around.
her on a gurney and rush her into
Over here, you know.
emergency surgery.
She does it twice.
I'd be wondering whether we'll ever see Carla alive.
She leaps
Dr.
twice.
Richard
And goes
Martell
back to the
is a
cage.
pediatric infectious disease specialist at the
Usually.
Yale School of Medicine.
Sometimes she lands up on top of the curtains where she isn't supposed to be.
Blood supply to parts of the brain. And that could lead to strokes and ultimately to death.
Anyway,
Anytime the brain is cut into, there's risk that brain tissue
I'm
itself
going to laugh at something that I saw many, many times before.
What are we left with?
Mario on Ice Show.
Will be the daughter that we
Yeah.
had before she went for surgery.
There used to be many uploads of this on YouTube, and now they're all gone, and there's only like one other riff left. They are funnier than me.
But what Carla's surgeon finds isn't cancer.
The surgeon found a pus-filled abscess in her brain.
Riff?
An abscess is a collection of immune cells, pus, and other materials.
This will be the only other riffy thing I do.
Of an infection. Brain abscesses
Oh,
are rare.
and you want to know the fate of Super Smash Bros. Follies? Cancelled!
In 80% of cases.
Brain abscesses are very
The views are crap, that's why!
potentially fatal. I really became frightened that this was much bigger than I thought.
Yes, I shall show the views
I
later.
wasn't ready for that news. I wasn't prepared.
And it shall be the final video
To
of
find out what is causing the
Super
abscess,
Smash Bros.
doctors
Follies.
drain some pus from the infected area.
Okay,
and send it to the
the
lab
TV got
for
tired of
testing.
me waiting.
Fortunately,
That's
Carla had
cool. I almost forgot how cheesy this show started. And now we get to her. Nintendo! Mario Brothers! Now you never played video games? He sounds dorkified. And the sound effects are all off. Or you can jump on them. How does an NES get a computer virus? She's so sarcastic. Oh my gosh, in the Bowser costume. How many times must I point this out? It's lame. It's... Scrappy's got daily palms on the sides of his head instead of horns. Is he supposed to be a Chester or the King of the Koopas? Big monster dragon thing. No! No emotion in that no. Here comes this crap villain song. The Goombas have no body. Just the head stuck to the feet. something. What's with the bird you there from? Azure doesn't like it. Azure hates when he says a hi or yes. Well, the only lyrics they could think up to repeat. Oh yes! Whoa! He's spinning around. He's riding. The princess! And I bet they're laughing at the way she looks too! Come on, fly around!
Oh, Mario! What is your
When was Bowser a computer virus? Snowy Ferris wheel toy.
Those foolish Mario brothers have sent boys out to your man's work. I will fix the secret face.
And what are you going to do? They just sit there and let Luigi shoot them. And then they get blasted. Dude, you should have sent both of them at the same time. They would have still blown it up anyway. And don't throw your hammer?
Want to dominate the world, you have to do it yourself.
No, I don't get out. Well, I guess the tools are magic. Yeah, the tools are magic or something. But I only saw wrenches and plungers. No hammers. And what were they singing? What are the lyrics to this song they're singing? Oh my god. Luigi deserves that plumber. He does. That plunger. He did everything. How did she win? She didn't do anything. I don't know. How do you win because of the virus? I don't get it. Okay, yeah. Laughing when we first saw it. Laughing now. The princess costume is terrible. Oh no, it's not.
So Jeanette goes to see her general practitioner, Dr. Adrian Cross-Trout.
Actually, yes it is.
Initially, she came in and she
You can't take a look at her face without cracking up.
foul-smelling urine, and all those symptoms for her were indicative of urinary tract
The
infection.
bird didn't fly around, so we're guessing he's gonna make another one later on.
A 3-day course of antibiotics.
They just sat there the whole time.
I was like, okay,
As you were
great,
squawked
I
at it a
hear
bit.
It's a quick fix with an antibiotic.